Good morning, all of you. Right. Now today's topic is what here method 5. Right. This is the last method in this methods. Right. Method 5. So here, what is method 5? Let's see. Uh, Now we are finding the particular integral for any given higher order differential equation, which is in the form of what here f of d into y equals to dx. Right. So when if pi of x equals to x power m into v, pi of x equal to x power m into v. Here we know that x power m is what here algebraic function, and v is what here v is here v is any either it is cos function, either it is a cos function or sine function, right? So that means what here v should be sin ax or cos ax, right? So in these cases, how we can find the solution for this here, right? Simple, nothing but see, in the first condition, if we are finding the particular integral when 1 by f of d into x power m into v, actually here we need to take v here, right? In first case, what I am taking here, instead of v, we are taking here v equal to what here sin ax. So x power m into sin ax is there. So this is I am writing in the form of what here. See, I can consider imaginary part of 1 by f of d into x power m into cos ax plus sin ax. I am writing here instead of what I'm here. What I'm getting here sin ax here I am getting, but instead of this sin ax, totally what I'm taking here cos ax plus I sin ax, right? I'm multiplying this function, and I'm taking only imaginary part in this complete solution, right? Right. See here, we are multiplying this function with what here, nana? Any complex number, that is what here cos x plus I sin x, right? So we'll get what here complex number only will get, right? From that I am considering only imaginary part. Why? See here, sin is what here in complex number, sin is a imaginary part, so that's why we are considering only imaginary part, right? So finally it becomes what here imaginary part of 1 by f of d into x power m e power iax, right? See here, from where we'll get this iax, e power iax. Actually here we are having what here cos ax plus I sin ax, but here I wrote what here e power iax. That means what here we have one formula, that is what here, nana? E power I theta equals what here cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta. By using of this formula, I am writing what here this complete whole thing I am writing what here e power iax in theta place what we are having here, nana? Ax. So here I am writing what e power iax, right? So that's the story. If we are getting what here, okay, if v equal to sin ax means, so this will be the yp is what here imaginary part of 1 by f of d into x power m into e power iax, right? A means what here here a is what here, a is any constant, and which is the coefficient of x here. See, in this trigonometric function we are taking now, so this is what here coefficient of x in place of theta. Here what we are having here ax we are having, so that's why we are taking ax, right? Okay. So in second case, if v equals to what here cos ax, if v equals to cos ax, then pi becomes what here 1 by f of d into x power m into cos ax, right? So which is equals to what here real part of 1 by f of d x power m into cos ax plus I sin ax, whatever the solution I am getting from this, I am considering only real part. Why I am taking real part here? See, in this in this formula, in this complex number, cos is what here real part, so that's why I am considering what here, nana? I am considering only real part from the whole solution, right? Here I am considering only real part from the old solution here, right? See, now how we are going to solve this, right? Okay, we can take imaginary part. If sin theta is given, if we equal to sin ax, then we can we can consider only imaginary part from the whole solution. If cos ax is given, we can consider only real part from the whole solution. Then how we are going to solve this? See, let's see this. It is in the form of what here? Method 4, which is in the form of what here? Method 4, exponential function, and this is what here? Algebraic function. So product of exponential function and algebraic function. So by using of method 4, we need to solve this above problem, right? By using of method 4, we can find the solution for this, right, Nana? So whatever the solution we are getting, in that we need to consider only real part. If v equal to sin ax, if v equal to cos ax, we need to consider only imaginary part from the old solution, right? So that is the procedure here. You know how to solve, how to find the yc and yp by using of method 4, right? Not need to explain anything here, right? Already we have discussed about method 4, right? Okay. Right. See, we'll see one problem based on this. Right now, see here, one problem is given, that is what here? Solve d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equals to x cos x. Y equals to x cos x. Now we need to find this, right? So solution here, the given differential equation is what here now? D square plus 2d plus 1 into y equals to x cos x, right? Let us assume this is equation 1. Now we are comparing this equation by what here, Nana? F of d into y equals to q of x. So f of d is what here? D square plus 2d plus 1, and here q of x equal to what here? X cos x. X cos x, right? So x cos x, right? See, now we need to find the general solution of what here? Equation 1. To find general solution, we need to find yc and yp. First of all, what I am finding here? Finding yc, right, Nana? To find yc, first we need to write what here? Nana? Auxiliary equation of f of d is what, Nana? F of m equals to 0. So that means in the place of d, we need to replace m here. So and then auxiliary equation becomes what here? M square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, which is in the form of what here, Nana? See, a square, if I am taking 1 square, so which is in the form of what here? A square plus b square plus 2ab into 1 also we can take, right? So 2ab, which is in the form of what here? M plus 1 whole square equals to 0 here. So m equals to what here, Nana? Minus 1 comma minus 1. Roots are real and same. So right, roots are real and same. Now yc becomes what here, Nana? Yc equals to c1 plus c2x into e power root is what here? Minus 1. So minus x. So this is nothing but what here? Yc of equation 1. Let us assume this is equation 2 here. Now finding now finding yp, where yp equals what here beta? Yp equals to 1 by f of d into q of x. So here yp equals to 1 by f of d. Directly here what I am taking here, nana? Here I am taking d plus 1 whole square I am taking, right? In very short form I am taking here, right? So q of x equal to what here? X cos x. Q of x equal to x cos x, right? So now, right, see here, now we need to change what here, nana? We need to multiply this what here? X power m into e power iax I need to find here, right? In the place of a what I am having here? See, in the place of a what I am having here? X coefficient is what? 1. So a equal to what here? 1 here. So I can write this, I can write what here, nana? Then yp becomes what here? Cos. Here we are getting cos, right? So real part of 1 by d plus 1 whole square x into, instead of cos x what I am writing here? E power iax I am writing, right? Iax, ia means what here? 1. So x, 1x means x only, right? Right. Now this will be the yp. Yp equals what here? Real part of real part of this. See, real part of this means what here? Which is in the form of what here, nana? Method 4, e power ax into algebraic function x, right? So here I want to neutralize this exponential function. How can I? Right, see see here I'm substituting in the place of d. What I'm substituting here? I will substitute a, right? A equal to what here, nana? I here, right? E power ax. If you can consider this as e power ax, in the place of a what we are having here? I we are having. So I am writing here. So e power ix. Now 1 d is replaced by what here, nana? D plus I. D plus a means what here? I. So d plus I plus 1, same as it is, plus 1 whole square into x, right? Into x. Okay, now e power ix. See, what I am doing here? I am writing this as 1 by I plus 1 plus d whole square into x, right? Okay. So here see, here e power ix is what here? Idle only. Now we need to solve this part, right? So this is what here? This is the form of what here, nana? Method 3, right? So by using of method 3 I am solving this. So real part of e power ix. For this what I am doing here? I am taking, I should write this f of d into the form of what here? 1 plus or minus d whole power n. I need to write here, right, nana? So I need to convert that. So in this place I need to get 1 here. So that's why what I am taking here? I plus 1 I am taking common. So here whole square is there. So what I will get here? 1 plus I whole square 1 by this I am taking common, no? What I will get here? For this whole thing I will get 1 plus d by 1 plus I, d by 1 plus I whole square into x, right? Okay, now real part of, if I am expanding this, what I will get here, nana? e power ix by c 1 square plus 2i plus I square. I square means what here? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Remaining is what here? Only 2i will left. Right? Right. Okay, I am writing this in numerator. So I can write this as what? No, no. 1 plus d 1 plus I whole power minus 2 into x. Right? So this. Right. Right, no, no. So here same as the real part of e power ix by 2i. For this I am expanding this, so which is in the form of what here, nana? 1 plus d whole power minus 2, so that equals to what here? We know that what, nana? 1 plus 2d plus 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus so on, we need to take here, right? By using the same formula here I am writing, expanding this. So 1 plus 1 minus d, in the d place what we are having here, na? D by 1 plus I. 1 minus 2d by 1 plus I plus 3d square. In the place of d what we are having here? D by 1 plus I whole square plus so on into x, right? Okay, so here real part of e power ix by 2i, right? See, here we are having what here, nana? X, multiple of x, and the degree of this x is what here? Power of this x is what here? 1 only. So that means I need to consider up to first order derivatives, right? That means we need to neglect the higher order derivatives. Higher order means from here we need to neglect, right? Neglecting higher order, remaining is what here? 1 minus 2d by 1 plus I into x, right? See, here real part of, here what I am taking here, e power ix by 2i, same as it is, I am multiplying this, what I will get here? X minus 2dx by 1 plus I, right? Okay, so real part of e power ix by 2i, x same as it is, minus 2 d, we know that d equal to what, nana? D equals to d by dx, right? So d by dx of x is what here? 1. So here remaining is what here? 2 by 1 plus I, right? In denominator we are having I terms, so that's why I am rationalizing, right? So here real part of, in this also denominator we are having what here, nana? I. So I am multiplying e power ix by 2i square into I, multiplying and dividing by I here. So this I into I is I square becomes, na? So in numerator also we will get I, and x same as it is, minus 2 into what? Rationalizing means 1 minus I by 1 minus I square, right? Okay. So finally real part of this, right? So I square means minus 2, so minus I e power ix by 2 into x minus 2 1 minus I by, see, 1 minus I square, right? So here 1 minus I square means what here, nana? I square means what here? I square means what here, Nana? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus. So plus 1 plus 1 2 I will get, right? 2, right? So this gets cancelled. Finally, real part of minus I e power ix by 2. So finally x minus into 1 is minus 1 plus I. So this is real part, I am taking as one part, and this is imaginary. Leave that, right? Now here real part of real part of this whole thing, right? So here we need to segregate as a complex number, means we need to write real part one side and imaginary part another side. So what I'm doing here, I'm e power ix equal to what here? So minus I e power ix equal to, I'm expanding e power I theta by using that formula. So cos x plus I sin x by 2 into x minus 1 plus I. Right, Nana? See, by real part of I am multiplying I with this bracket, so what I will get here? Minus 1 by 2 I am taking common, right? For this what I will get here, Nana? I cos x minus I into I square I will get, na? So here plus is there, I square means minus 1, plus into minus is what here? Minus. So sin x, that means real part becomes imaginary, imaginary becomes what here? Real, right? Into x minus 1 plus I. See, from this whole thing we need to consider what here? Only real part. So here I am taking only, I am not expanding this, but directly I am taking what here? Real part from this total. See here, minus 1 by 2 same as it is common here. If I am multiplying this, so this becomes what here? This becomes what here, no? Imaginary. Why? Because I cos x into x minus I. So that means this term also includes I, right? So we should not consider that. Actually here we need to consider only real part, right? We want real part. So I am multiplying this I cos x into I. See, I into I is what here? I square. So minus cos x I will get, right? Okay, now cos is over. Now we need to multiply this whole bracket with minus sin x, right, Nana? So here minus sin x into x minus 1. So minus x minus 1 into sin x, right? So here minus sin x into I. So I minus I sin x will get, right? So that is what here, beta? That is also a imaginary part. So we need not that term. We need not get I terms, right, Nana? So we need to consider only real part. So that's why I am taking only real part. Okay. Now see, from this whole thing I will take minus common. So what I will get here, Nana? Minus 1 by 2 into, wait, minus 1 by 2 into minus cos x plus x minus 1 sin x, right? So here minus gets cancelled, minus into minus plus becomes, not get cancelled, minus into minus plus. So finally our yp is what here, Nana? Cos x plus x minus 1 sin x by 2, right? Okay, so this is our yp. Now we got yc and yp also, right? So general solution of equation 1 is what here, Nana? Y equals to yc plus yp. I am writing complete solution here. Y equals to what here? Yc equals to c1 plus c2x into e power minus x plus yp is what here, Nana? cos x plus x minus 1 sin x by 2, right, by 2. Okay, so this is our required answer, right? Okay, thank you.